Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the Uber app on your phone and sign into your account. Tap the search bar at the top to view recent locations and searches. Each recent entry shows an X or swipe option to remove it. Tap the X or swipe left and confirm deletion when prompted. Repeat for each entry you want to remove from local search history. This removes recent searches from the app interface immediately and locally. It does not necessarily remove copies of searches stored on Uber servers. To clear all local history on Android, open Settings, then Apps, then Uber. Select Storage and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data to erase local entries. On iPhone, delete the Uber app and reinstall from the App Store to drop cached data. Deleting and reinstalling removes local cache, but does not guarantee server deletion. To remove saved home or workplaces, open Settings, then Saved Places in the app. Tap each saved place and select Remove or Delete to confirm removal. Always sign out and restart the app after these changes for clean results. To remove searches from Uber servers, use Uber Privacy Center in the app or online. Open Profile, then Privacy or Privacy Center to review data options and requests. You can request specific data deletions or export your data under privacy controls. Request processing can take days to weeks depending on legal and technical reviews. If you want complete removal, request account deletion and follow the on-screen confirmation steps. Account deletion removes personal data after a retention period and finalizes server-side deletion. Keep receipts or export data before requesting deletion because this action can be irreversible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.